Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve command prompt or PowerShell kept popping out and disappearing a second later. Let's fix it guys. For that you just want to check my video description for this link guys. You just need to click on the download option over here, click on it and download it guys. Wait for it. After getting download done guys, you just need to click on the arrow mark here and select show in folder and opens up in folder guys. You just need to right click on it, the folder we just downloaded. You just need to right click on it and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, that will be open up. In here right click on the auto runs 64, right click on it, select run as administrator and select yes. Now in this window you just need to, in quick search, you just need to search for cmd. Opens up cmd.exe. You just need to uncheck the box guys, uncheck it, and this will not popping up again in your computer guys, cmd. And if you have pop-up issue in PowerShell, type it guys, PowerShell. Opens up PowerShell. You just need to uncheck the box like this, everything listed over here. You just need to uncheck it, and after doing this, unchecking, click on close out of the window and close out of everything, and you just want to restart your PC guys. After doing it, and after restarting your PC, your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.